Didi is a Chinese taxi app for ride hailing and ride sharing.
There are two versions of the app, the Chinese version and the international version. We use the international version. There are less features, but it's all in English. Open your International Edition app. Check at the top of the screen to make sure that your city is correct. We're in Shenzhen, so that's cool. Now use the pin and move yourself to where you are located. We suggest a street corner in front of somewhere recognizable like a bank or supermarket. Next, it'll ask you your destination. Here you can see it keeps all the history of the destinations. If you have the Chinese address in Chinese characters, what you can do is you can copy and paste those Chinese characters into the Didi app just fine, maybe from a map app or from your Chinese friend. You can type in English or in Pinyin, but sometimes the results are a bit iffy. One of the things that we do is we look for Starbucks in the area of the destination we're going to, and that's easy to input and easy to find in the address book that pops up. After choosing your destination, you choose your ride. We usually go with Express, it's cheap and we don't share a ride. You can get cheaper if you share a ride. You then get an estimate of the time it will take and the fare amount. Call the Express and there you go, you've confirmed, and what it's going to do is see what drivers are in the area, who's willing to pick you up. This guy, driver Lou, is. In the app you can call the driver and message them. What I do is I actually have a template of messages that I send to drivers in Chinese characters, and I'll send a message at the very beginning saying in Chinese characters that I'm foreign, don't call me, I don't speak Chinese, pick me up from the GPS location, I'm there now. I'll sometimes add a physical description because I'm quite easy to notice. There is an inbuilt language translation feature, but it doesn't always work that well. And then you just wait for the pickup and it'll give you a real-time track. Oh, we got a message. It's all in Chinese, but you know, it translates actually in the app. So while we wait, I'll just point out a couple of things here. So you can kind of see where he's coming from, how far he is away. He's 4 minutes away. And if you look in the bottom left-hand corner, you can actually see what type of car it is. Unfortunately, it's in Chinese, but you can see what color it is, so you can keep out for the color, and you can also keep out for the license plate number as well. When the driver arrives, make sure to check the license plate number matches on the car.
So after you call your Didi and he arrives, just get in the taxi, you say ni hao, hello, show him that it's you that ordered the Didi, and you're good to go. It's got GPS, so he'll just drop you where you need to be.
So one of the great things about being in a Didi is that on your phone you can track where you're going, because it's already got a GPS map on here, as well as how long it takes to get there, how far away you are, and how much it's going to cost you. There's also an option to share your journey with somebody else, somebody who's expecting you, so that they can kind of help you monitor if you don't feel comfortable at any point. So yeah, it's pretty awesome.
How you pay once you finish your journey with the Didi, you can use your WeChat Pay or you can use Alipay, and I have mine set up so it takes it out from my WeChat wallet, which is connected to my bank account automatically, so I don't actually even have to worry about figuring out payment.
You can set your wallet to pay by multiple means: WeChat Pay, Alipay, QQ Pay, even some international cards.